Can you make this equation correct by drawing just one line? 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 550. Not erasing, not deleting, not moving numbers. Just draw one line. And before you say that's impossible, watch carefully. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. That doesn't give 500. So they panic and think, wait, how do we get 500? So they try impossible things. Some people want to add zeros to get 500. Some want to change the answer. And some people completely give up. But this puzzle is not testing arithmetic. It is testing creativity. It wants to know how creative you are. All you have to do is change one symbol. So watch this carefully. Let's take this first plus sign here and let's draw a line here. When we draw a line here, this is just one line. It becomes 545 plus 5 and this gives 500, which is true. So the equation becomes 545 plus 5 and that is true. Sometimes the answer is not hidden in calculation, it is hidden in perspective. So let me know in the comments, were you able to get this at a glance, or how long did it take you to figure it out, or you didn't even figure it out till I solved it? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.